Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that how to see who favorited your Roblox games. So simply in order to do this, first of all install Roblox app in your cell phone, and after that here you can see that there is a home page, profile page and messages page, and after that just simply you click here you can see the notification option. So now we want to know that who favorited our game. So simply just as we go to the help center of Roblox, so here you can see that is there any way to know if someone favorited or like him. So simply just you can see that there is no way to check that who, if someone like favorite or like your game. So there is no option in available on Roblox. So simply you can not check that who favorited your game on Roblox. So simply just you can play game, or simply you can do or use all the other features, but there is no features available to see that if someone liked or favorited your game on Roblox.